Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from SpyDialer step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. To opt out from SpyDialer, first, go to their website. Scroll to the bottom of the homepage and select Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information. In the window that opens, click the Start button. Select the state where you live from the drop-down options, complete the security CAPTCHA, and then click Continue. Privacy law information will appear. Click Got It, Continue. Note: the privacy law message may vary depending on the state you live in. Select the state where you live from the drop-down options, complete the security CAPTCHA, and then click Continue. To opt out of having your data appear on the SpyDialer website, click the plus symbol next to name, address, phone number, and email address to add the information you want to remove. This is an example of what the opt-out your data form may look like after adding information for removal. A remove box will appear next to information that has been added. When you are finished filling out the form, click Opt Out My Info. The last window to appear will confirm that your opt-out was successful. Click Done. Your personal information will be removed from the SpyDialer website. Congratulations on opting out of SpyDialer. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.